What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are having an amazing day, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at a Galaxy S9 ROM port for our Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus. Yes, the ROM has been finally ported completely and we have almost all of the features on our Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus partially working, because most of the features are just basically same in the Android Oreo update. So the new features that we are getting over here are not a lot when compared to the last year. For example, porting a S8 ROM to a S7. It was fun, there was a new UI, but for S8 to S9 there is literally nothing. But we are just going to take a look at what are the additional features that we are getting into this Samsung Experience 9.0. We are not getting 9.1 with the S9 as there is no UI change at all, such as the icons, just the Messages app has been updated. So let's just take a look. The UI is now completely blue. I seriously don't know why Samsung did it, but I guess they wanted a bit more attention to their Messages app as they've integrated the all new face emojis. For example, if you want to compose a message, you will get your normal record button over here and the Animoji button. Let's just tap it. As we currently can't actually register our own Animojis, it's not actually completely impossible to port it over the Galaxy S8 as the front camera is exact same to the Galaxy S9, but it would take a bit of a time. But until then we can enjoy this little fox one, which also have their own animation. Again, the animations are pretty smooth, they don't look like 8 to 10 FPS. Going back to the home, there is not a lot change over here. It's basically the same, the launcher is same, there are no new added features over here, but now you can actually rotate it just like that. And now you can also use your phone in landscape, so you have your dock at the bottom, you can swipe up to access your normal app menu. It's like one of the features I really wanted in Galaxy S8 because it's really a tall phone. Now if you don't already know how to actually enable the landscape mode into the launcher, you have to just hold on over here, go to home screen settings, and then you will find an extra option over here called portrait mode only. Yeah, it's a bit of a jumble. They should literally rename this as enable landscape. You have to just turn this off, this is enabled by default, and then you can rotate your launcher. Coming to the camera, we are still getting the older camera as the S9 one has still not been ported. It's a pretty hard procedure for the developers and they have my full respect, but it would take a bit of a time. But until then, if you switch out to the front camera, you still get your newer stickers. But the normal live ones or the AR emojis as Samsung call them, they don't actually work as if right now. As you can see, it's completely blank. And then again you get your normal set of apps over here such as from the S8, but in this ROM you can also choose for more options such as lower budget devices, for example S-Bike mode, S-Secure where you can lock and mask apps, secure your Wi-Fi. Then again you get ultra data saving mode. Now let's just quickly hop onto the settings because there are a bit of a changes over here. The UI just looks basically the same. Let's go to the sound, scrolling down, you still get your sound quality and effects from the Sound Alive. There you go, you have the normal Sound Alive equalizer, but now you get a newer Dolby Atmos tab over here. Well, some of the users have actually confirmed that this is working, but personally for me, with the dual speakers enabled, yes, this ROM also allows that. I didn't feel a lot of difference between movie and music, as the developer says that some of the libs are not actually working. We can't confirm it as if right now. Scrolling down to the advanced features, you don't get a lot of changes over here rather than getting a feature removed, which would be the quick launch of camera by double tapping the lock button. Yes, it's completely removed over here. I don't know why. Going down, you will find another feature called touch sensitivity. Yes, it has been added in the Galaxy S9. It also works over here. It gives you a little touch boost, but I seriously don't know, like these are very capable phones. The touch even works underwater. I seriously don't feel the need for it, but you still get it. And then there is your normal things such as dual messenger version 2.0 where you can select separate contacts for your second apps. Yes, that's been also added too. Going to the lock screen and security, the intelligent scan is not actually working right now. It will get some time in order to work, but as the iris scanner and everything is just working, you can actually register it. So let's just do that. Going to the intelligent scan, as you can see, gives you a little info about it. I seriously don't even get this feature, like literally if it recognizes your face by face recognition, it's not that secure. And even if it matches your iris, what's the point of getting the face recognition in the first place? Continue. As you saw there, you have to actually move your face a little bit. Now you have to also register your iris. Let's just begin the setup. Wow, that was pretty quick when compared to the normal Galaxy S8. You can still control your normal lock screen features. And there you go, that's how you basically set up intelligent scan. But if you just look at the top over here, as you can see, it's looking for my face or the iris, whichever pops up first. Even if I go to the iris scanner, it will actually start scanning, but you can't actually see your iris preview as like before. At the bottom, you can also stop the intelligent scan if you want to use your normal pattern or the pin code. Now also in the security, if you go to always on display, you get couple of clocks new over here, but you also get GIF always on display. Yes, let's just go to the customization by tapping over here. If you select your normal image, you get a newer option for add GIF. Yes, and you get couple of options for it. They look cool. One of my favorites is this ghost and the spiral. Let's just select this one. The preview is pretty small, but for battery purposes it's pretty good. Let's just take a look at it. There you go. Looks pretty nice. It's not actually working all the time, it just does one when it shifts the clock, because we have to actually preserve the battery. But let's just take a look at the wallpapers, because they are extremely beautiful. So let's just go over there and you get couple of wallpapers over here for the selection. If you scroll down, you get the ego booster ones, which would be the normal 9, just to let you know you have the Galaxy S9 and not the 8. And then you have this, I don't know what you call, but it reminds me of Galaxy S3. Yes, when they actually announced the pebble design. But let's just come to the live wallpapers. You get 5 of them, but Galaxy S9 is not actually available in 5 colors. Like literally they announced that silver titanium would be international and they don't even have it. But you get this sort of gold wallpaper over here, and Galaxy S9 is not even available in that color, but you still get it. But one of my favorite would be this purple. And also the preview is not broken like last year. It just works perfect. Let's just try it out. Wow, just amazing. Let's just try another one. There is no animation on the normal home screen, just like the Galaxy S8. It's just plain. Just look at that. It's one of the best parallax effect wallpapers I've ever seen in my life. And that's pretty much it. Now for the installation, I'm not going to actually show you in depth as if right now. I will wait till the developer actually fixes most of the things such as the Dolby Atmos and the camera. Once the developers fix that, I would be making a full installation video. But until then, it's pretty simple. You have to just install a top recovery, install the ROM as you normally do, such as selecting your dual speaker mod, root, your modem, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe down there and see you in the next one. Probably S9 port for S7. Yeah.